What is n8n? So you have to know what is n8n. n8n is an open source low code platform empowering both non-coders and developers. Right? So you can unlock the workflow efficiency with n8n. n8n is a open source workflow automation tool. n8n visually connects different apps and services using a node-based editor, low-code platform enabling automation without complex programming, which flexible visual builder to design and customize workflow. And you can connect, maximum connectivity is there with the Google Sheets, AI models, and it supports both self-hosting and cloud services. And we will discuss about the self-hosting here. Based on your deployment can be based on infrastructure preferences. Deployment flexibility is there. So now we will just see about the self-hosting kind in n8n. Welcome to this video. As I have already said that n8n is a self-hosted automation tool. So automation app or anything like that. So people will have some doubt, what is self-hosting, right? Self-hosting is nothing but maintaining an app or a website or any services in your control, not going with a third-party provider. Having a private network, private server and hosting it on that and maintaining on your own and not depending on any third-party app developers or anything like that. So n8n has an advantage of self-hosting, and the thing is it can be self-hosted in n8n itself, but it is very costly. That annually monthly they will charge around 24 euros, and 1 euro comes around 100 rupees in Indian money. So you can just calculate like 24 euros, you can calculate as 24 euro to INR. It comes around 2500 rupees per month. So it is not affordable for most of the Indians, and even though it is affordable for certain people, you can restrict only around 2500 workflow executions, and only you can share only single projects, and that this is not easy and this is not convenient for us. So what can we do? There are n number of VPS providers in the market, but I will prefer to go with Hostinger. The Hostinger has a VPS, and the charges for that VPS is very low. That is 400 rupees per month. You can buy a monthly plan or else you can buy a yearly plan. And the most important thing is you can go for unlimited workflows. This is only 2500 workflows, and you can go for unlimited workflows. You can choose any plan in that, and if you go for this Hostinger plans, it will be cheap and it is affordable and you can execute unlimited workflows. So go for Hostinger thing. And how we have to go is just log in and go for KVM VPS, right? And just go over there. It opens, and after it's getting opened, it will ask for the server. Next, in OS, just type n8n. That's it. Select it and you give a password. That's it. It will get access to the email of this n8n server, will get connected over there. It's a very easy process. I have given the link in the description of Hostinger. You can go over there and you can purchase and you can use it and you can see how it works. And before that, you can go for a free credits they will give. But I will recommend to go with Hostinger. It is cheap and affordable, and if you want to work, you don't want to become an employee, you can become a CEO of a SaaS thing by going with n8n. So just go for it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Welcome to this video. Now what we are going to see is we are going to see a YouTube automation video, that is using n8n and using some tools. We are going to, for a certain period of time, the YouTube video will get edited, but you will get a content, will get edited, but will make a lighting, and it will create a video on its own, and it will upload it on its own. So that is the YouTube automation. And many people will be saying that according to YouTube policies, it's not monetizing, it's a false news. The stockic saga, there are n number of niches category. You can take stockism, psychological quotes, or normal proverbs for kids, anything you can just make it. And all the only thing what you are going to do is it will create a video, and you don't have to do anything. You can sleep, you can do anything. You can make a frequency of time around 3 minutes once or 1 hour once, daily 3 videos like that. It will create on its own. You can make a time interval and you can place a video. It will create a video for a daily 3 videos, means every 6 hours once or every 10 hours once it will create a video and it will get uploaded. And now we are going to see certain channels which is getting monetized and they are earning like anything. And the first one is Stockic Saga, and the estimated monthly earnings is around 4k to 11,000 US dollars. And this channel is Quotes, and it is $1,84,000. So 0 uploads. They haven't uploaded videos per week itself. Here they have uploaded 5 uploads, and this one is Stockic Heaven. It comes around 2,000 US dollars. So this is Stockic Domain, Stockic Legend. These are all monetized channels, and this is 16k. And now you are seeing a 7k estimated monthly earnings. See that the viewership, everything has been gained, and this one is 2k. So these kind of money they are earning like anything in automated YouTube channel monetization. It's one of a kind, and no person will be telling this thing in a very clear manner. You can do it on your own and you can earn money like anything. So I'll teach you step by step what to do with YouTube monetization things. And the channel what you are seeing is half of the channel is made by me, and I'm getting the revenue. So that is the reason I'm just telling you that you can also earn money. Watch carefully how to do this n8n YouTube automation. So let's jump into the technical part of YouTube automation, and you can earn according to Indian conditions 1 to 3 lakhs rupees in a very easy manner, and I'll teach you that how to do it. So now let's jump into the technical part of this YouTube video creation. So here we are just getting a node called trigger node. That is right. So normal trigger has been done. So scheduled trigger. So just make the scheduled trigger and come here, and next it's just a trigger to start this thing. Start the n8n YouTube automation. It creates video on its own, and again and again I'm saying we don't have to do anything. It's once in a lifetime setup. If you just make it once in your lifetime, you can set this up and you will start earning like anything. I'm damn sure about it. You can create n8n workflows in different things. What do you say? You can start 5 channels and you can create this one only once for different niches, like what I did. And now you're going for Google Sheets, the second one. I will be providing the Google Sheets also, right? So what we are going to do is I will provide this Google Sheets over here, and that Google Sheets I will add it with ID, ideas, channel style prompt, character style prompt, and then captions, production status, final output. Everything will be done here. And now what I'm going to do is I have already create a new Google Sheets account, Sheets within document, the second one. And operation, what it has to be done is you have to get the rows, right? And then your created YouTube Sheets, just connect with that. See, I have given you the YouTube Google Sheets, but what you have to do is just go there, make a copy of it and make it yours, because it should be connected to your email ID that I think you know very well, and then you can use it, right? And there are 2 sheets in Google Sheets. I'll tell you why we are using 2 sheets over here. So go there, and now in Sheets 1 is connected, and we are combining the filters with and we have finished the step. So we are going to back to Canvas, right? So the next one, what we are going to do is we are just creating an AI agent over here, right? So this AI agent is created, and you can change the name also to prompts. So where to bring this AI agent? From here, right? Right, this one, or else you can go for an LLMs, right? And you can do that one. So just download the node called AI agent and then rename it to prompts, right? And then source for the prompt it will be asking, so just go for define below, and prompt user message should be a video title. So I'll just show you. JSON ideas and JSON caption should be there. So stock video title, everything will be stored here. I'll just tell you how it should be done. So the next thing what we are going to do is I have given you the sheets, and I have given you this document also along with it. Just copy the prompt what I have given. I have made it a stockism. You can change whatever topic you want, right? You can go for, you don't have to go for stockism alone. You can go for quotes, or else you can go for psychiatry, you can go for kids story, anything like that. But here for my convenience, so and for my category, I have just selected as stockism. So I have already shown you the stockism thing. Just copy this prompt over here, right? And then just go and to ChatGPT, right? And then just copy this prompt what it has been done. So here I have already pasted that prompt what I have given over there, and this is how the output will be there in tables. Since I have given the prompt for stockism, I have just made this table will be available, and now you can just copy it over there and then place it in your Google Sheets. That's stable. That's it. The next one, after this, you just wanted to run the sheets over there, and you just copy the prompt, and video title and video description is there. Just drag it, video description, just store it over there, right? So ideas and captions, so this is idea, just drag it and drop it over here, and in captions also just see this, drag it and drop it over there. That's it. And system name, type name or ID, just select the system, and I have already, again I have given the system prompt also along with this. You don't have to worry about anything. I have given you the system prompt, and this is the setup a system message. Just copy this and place it over here, right? And you just have to make a required specific output, and back to canvas. Here I forgot to tell you something. The final one, you have to select add options, and you have to select return only first matching row. The reason is, if you did not select this one, it will just show you all the videos, 5 videos also, it will get generated in your YouTube channel. So we have finished trigger, we have finished Google Sheets, and we have finished the prompts. The system prompt I have already given, just copy it and place it over there. And here is OpenAI chat model. Just create the credentials, get the API key, and go for GPT 4o model, or else in any model what it is convenient for me, for you, just select that model and place it over there, right? And the third one is, this OpenAI chat model is ready, and now we will go for the JSON example. Just copy this JSON text, and then we can just generate from JSON example, right? I have just copied this, and JSON example also I have just given you in the prompt. So this is the body content. Just copy this body content and place it over here. Right? And then the next one, what we are just going to do is, so we have finished trigger, we have finished Google Sheets, we have finished prompt, we have finished OpenAI chat model, and structured output parser we have placed it. So the next one is take intro videos. Where to get the intro videos, right? I have already taken intro video in Google Sheets too. This is for intro video. You can go to pixels.com and you can select an intro video for 2 seconds, 3 seconds and place it over here. And audio list, you can go to suno.com, or else you can go to json to video.com. So it's a very easy process. Just go to json to video.com, go to templates, add new templates, and you can see video, audio, everything will be here. Or else you can go to pixels.com and you can see over there, as I already mentioned. And now the final output is, we are getting the music from the take intro video and music from here. And the most important thing, the same sheet, but The Sheets Google Sheets account is opened again. The same Google Sheets account, Sheets within document, get rows, YouTube automation. The most important thing, we have to select sheet 2. Since we have given the intro video and audio list in sheet 2 over here, right? And then column, you have to mention it as to use. So here I have just mentioned it as to use, and now you have made it as a final over here, and then value is final and column is to use, and combine filter is and. So the video idea and prompts is finished. Taking intro video and music for this prompts for the video what has been created is done. The next is the generate a video part, and we are just wanted to go to HTTP request. So just go here and type HTTP, it will show here, and you can drag it and drop it over here. And after that, what we are going to do is we have to go for a post method here. Just click post. So api.json to video.com v2 movies. So here you can just go here, and I have given that also in the sheet for you. So generating prompt code, already we have done it for thing JSON to video. Here just copy this URL JSON to video post request. Just copy this API as well, and credential name also X API key. So post request I have just copied here. Header generic credential type, header auth, send body JSON using JSON, and we have already created a JSON file over there. JSON file we have already created, that I have already shown to you here. So after this, copy that one and place it over here, and now back. So HTTP is done. So the next one is wait node, and after time interval of 40 seconds, let's make this into 300 seconds. Right, let's take its own time, and now the HTTP request, everything is fine over there, right? So it is running over here. I'll just show you. Then again you are going for a HTTP request. The reason is previously it's a post HTTP request and it's a get HTTP request. Same URL is placed here, head author. But here what we just wanted to do is we have to send a query parameters and use the different below. Just drag the project over here, value, and place it over here when the output comes. And now we are going for HTTP request, third one, and again the video what it has been created according to the Google Sheets what we have placed here. Let's go for sheet 1, and we have placed how the video should be created in what format. Go to the switch, and if the switch is done, it will just pass to the get video, and after that again wait timer is placed. So here the in switch you just go for the rules and routing rules. You just make it as a movie status, drag it, drop it, and now just say movie status with published one, and the second one should be not publish. So output name should be done, not published, and third one should be an error. So these switches are done. If the video is done, it will go straight to the YouTube channel. If it is not done, see the note and the link what it's done, it will again go to the wait period, and if it comes an error, it will go to an error log. The next one is wait period, and let's place it with again 400 seconds. That will be fine. And now the error log is placed here. So in the error log, if error comes, the same YouTube automation, everything is done, and just drag the JSON ID over here, and publishing status is error, and now it's placed here. So now the video, if it is created, just go for get video, Google Sheets account, and now Sheets within document, update the row, and YouTube automation is done. Sheets 1, everything is fine over here, and the final output, just copy the URL, drag the URL from here and place it over there, right? And HTTP request, again the final output, and this HTTP request should be in the get method, drag for the final output, and authentication, nothing should be done. The final thing what we are just going to do is go for a node of YouTube node, and you can just go for YouTube account and create your YouTube account, right? And place it with this one, video upload operations, and title, just drag it and drop it over here, and region code you can change it as India. I have done it with Poland because it can distribute in that region code. So now I'll just change this into whatever country I need. I'll just go for an Indian thing. Right? So it takes 300 seconds time, and the video will be generated over here. And now I'm going for again HTTP request. I have already said YouTube, and I just wanted to tell you how to enable this YouTube. Just go to console.cloud.google.com, create a project, right? So I have created a project as n8n credentials. Just type YouTube here, and then here it will show you as manage, but previously it will be enabled. Just click enable over there, and just go to under n8n credentials. It will ask for app name. I'll just show you a separate video how to create a Google credentials for n8n, right? So this, it has been created, and that API code will be placed inside the create a new credentials, and it will be placed here, and everything is done. It will get registered in the Google Sheets of automations, sheets within the document, and operation is update row, and select sheet 1 again here, and the production status is published, right? So I will just execute the thing, right? It started running, and after 300 seconds you will get StockKick related videos. I'll just show you what are all the videos. See the clarity of the video.
In the heart of ancient Sparta, warriors prepare for the storm of combat. Their secret to inner strength lies in mastering chaos with unyielding calm. Amidst the clamor of battle, Spartans find stillness in the eye of the storm. This serene focus turns impending chaos into a dance of strategy. The Spartan embraces adversity as a forge for the soul, shaping resilient spirit. Challenges become allies in the quest for mental fortitude. Stoic wisdom breathes through Spartan veins, converting fear into fuel for the fight. With each breath, they conquer internal battles before the physical ones commence. Within every Spartan, silence roars louder than the battlefield's chaos. Their inner world is a fortress of strength, unshakable by external turmoil. Through the dance of discipline and focus, Spartans merge the art of war and wisdom. Their minds, sharper than swords, deliver undaunted resolve. Each Spartan breath is taken.
This is the video which is generated after 300 seconds, and the video, you can see the video clarity, what are all the stochastic things what we have uploaded in Google Sheets has been created as a video, and again it has been uploaded, and once it is done it will get with the logs is uploaded in the Google Sheets also. The first thing what we are going to do is video idea and prompts, and don't think that it is a very complicated setup. It's a very easy setup, and most important thing is it's a once in a lifetime. You're just going to connect this n8n YouTube automation. After that you don't have to touch anything. It will, according to the scheduling time of, you can just check the scheduling time also. Between one day also you can just do it with minutes, hours, weeks, months, everything you can just schedule it, and then every day one video will get generated and your channel will get monetized as I shown you before. The next one is, first thing is video ideas and prompt. The second one is intro video and music. Third one is generation of video. Fourth one, if any error is there, it displays here. And the fifth one is the most important and most interesting part, because this is the one which earns money for us, and that is publish created video. So this is the n8n automation of YouTube video creator. Interesting thing that you can earn money like anything around 2 to 3 lakhs of INR, or else 1 to 3 lakhs of INR each and every month. I have just shown you with the example channel also. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.